Hi, this is Karl at Building Footprint USA. I want to spend a little time talking about geocoding. Our typical customers are doing a lot of things with our data. They're analyzing information, visualizing information, and using our data for locating or geocoding things. And what our customers are trying to do is being able to overcome one of the biggest challenges that people have historically had with geocoding, which is just inaccuracy. We can open up this map here and see examples of locations where you might be geocoding a particular address and you end up with a parking lot or the street interpolated address, or maybe your geocode ends up in the middle of the street. And those locations could be your customers, your competitors, your prospects, the citizens of the area in which you govern. And you need something a little bit better than that. You need higher accuracy. Our data, we can take a look at any particular object in our data, and we can click on a building, and we can see that this particular building is 151 Wolf Road in Albany, New York, and that's great. And what we want to do is be able to take all that data and create a data set that you can always come up with a rooftop geocode. And that's what we've done. We're excited to announce that for any of our customers, not only can we deliver our entire nationwide catalog of data in a geodatabase or a set of Esri shapefiles, we also include our data or format our data in an ArcGIS locator. So let me tell you a little bit about what that looks like. I can go in and hit locate. I've added in our data, which is just about an 8 gigabyte geocoding data set, a locator, and I can start looking for an address. I can start looking for the location of our corporate headquarters, and we can pop open a map and see that here's our building footprint of our location, one winner circle, and you can see that we can geocode right on top of the address. And what's neat, we really like the ability to access the type ahead capability within ArcGIS Locator. Very exciting for us. We can look at different places that I've lived over the years. One of my favorite, Meadowlark Lane, Fargo, North Dakota. We can zoom to there. And always we're getting building footprint accuracy, rooftop accuracy. Not only can we use the locate feature, we could take a sample address database. This is just 4 addresses here. And we can go, and within the context of ArcGIS, we can go and geocode the table. We can indicate that our particular table has a number of fields. We're going to use the Building Footprint USA US Geocoder locator to geocode the data. We'll identify our particular fields. And we will geocode the addresses, hit run. This is going to fire up the geocoder. Takes a moment to warm up, kind of load up all the data. And what we'll get is every single time the whole database will be geocoded, and we'll see how many of these addresses that we can match to a rooftop level of accuracy. And of course, because we've cooked up this demo right away with just a number of addresses, we're not going to show a bunch of addresses that don't geocode, but these really are representative that 4 addresses geocode to rooftop accuracy. And we can just ever so slightly change the stylization of this table. We'll ignore the stylization. We'll just kind of look at each individual address here. And so we can pop open the geocoded layer. And we can zoom to an address that appears to be in Knoxville, Tennessee. You can see it's there. We can zoom to an address in Baniful, Utah. And back to One Winter Circle, our corporate headquarters, and then over to Poway, California. So we're demonstrating the ability to use our locator in a type ahead mode, looking up individual addresses, geocoding a table within ArcGIS Pro. But really, you could use this data in a server setting or in any scenario supported by ArcGIS technology. So we're very excited to have this as a part of our data distribution. Anytime that you're going to be getting the data that you license from us in geodatabase format or shape format, you'll also get the data in locator format. So feel free to ping us, hit us up to schedule a meeting for 5 or 10 minutes. We can tell you a little bit more. We'll give you some information about how to connect with us over the course of the Esri User Conference. Hope that you're having an exciting time. We'd love to be able to talk to you about the things that we can do to help your business. Thank you very much.